Welcome back to the Wallet Types video series, a collection of short, focused videos to help you understand and protect your crypto and Web3 wallets. In this short video, we explore one of the foundations of crypto and Web3 security, the cryptocurrency wallet. It's the digital tool that stores your private keys and connects you to your blockchain funds. Your wallet is more than just a tool, it's your link to ownership, control, and security. Knowing the difference between hot and cold, and custodial and non-custodial wallets is vital, because it determines who controls your assets and how safe they really are. First, let's break down one of the most important distinctions in crypto security, the difference between hot and cold wallets, the two main ways to store and protect your digital assets. Hot wallets are always online, connected to the internet. Cold wallets, on the other hand, stay offline, with no active internet connection. When it comes to accessibility, hot wallets give you instant access for sending or receiving crypto. Cold wallets require manual access, slower, but much safer. Hot wallets are best for daily transactions, DeFi activity, or NFTs. Cold wallets are designed for long-term storage and large holdings. In terms of risk, hot wallets face higher exposure to hacks and phishing. Cold wallets offer lower risk because they're isolated from online attacks. Examples of hot wallets include mobile, web, and desktop wallets. For cold wallets, think hardware devices, paper wallets, or air-gapped computers. And finally, a quick safety tip. Use hot wallets only for what you need day to day. And keep backups of your cold wallets while regularly checking their offline integrity. Before we continue, if you're finding this content valuable, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us create more free educational videos like this one. Thank you. Now let's look at one of the most important distinctions in crypto, custodial versus non-custodial wallets. This is all about control, because if you don't hold your private keys, you don't truly own your crypto. In a custodial wallet, a platform or exchange holds your private keys for you. With a non-custodial wallet, you hold your own keys, and with them, full control of your assets. When it comes to recovery, custodial wallets make it easier. The platform can help reset your credentials. But in a non-custodial setup, you're responsible for managing your seed phrase securely. If it's lost, access is gone forever. Ownership is another key difference. In a custodial wallet, you rely on the service's custody. In a non-custodial wallet, you have complete ownership and full control of your funds. Each type also carries different risks. Custodial wallets face potential hacks, exchange failures, or frozen withdrawals. Non-custodial wallets are safer from those risks, but still vulnerable to seed phrase loss, phishing, or scams. Custodial wallets are best for beginners or active traders using exchanges. Non-custodial wallets suit users who value privacy, independence, and full control over their crypto. And finally, a safety tip. If you trade using custodial platforms, always withdraw your crypto to your own wallet afterward. And if you use a non-custodial wallet, protect your seed phrase, and never share it. This was a short introduction to cryptocurrency wallets, the foundation of crypto and Web3 security. To test what you've learned, visit cryptosafetyfirst.com and take a short quiz to check your wallet security knowledge. You'll find the link in the video description. And if you'd like to go beyond the basics for a deeper understanding, explore the 3-wallet model, your guide to structuring crypto safely for daily use, active trading, and long-term storage. For more free lessons, downloadable resources, and educational videos, visit cryptosafetyfirst.com. Stay informed. Stay secure. Stay in control, and help others stay safe too. Thanks for watching.